Good morning and welcome to another video for Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have this awesome Porsche 718 Cayman GTS in with us for an aftermarket rear camera and also an aftermarket flush colour-coded audible parking sensors. And throughout this video we're going to show you what we're doing, how we're doing it, and then the end result. Welcome back. So we have finished. Rich has been working hard all day on this car and he has completed the parking sensors and the reversing camera. So everything's back in, bumpers back on, rear light clusters are back on, and we now have 4 beautifully fitted flush colour-coded parking sensors. Now when reverse gear is selected, these will just be audible for a buzzer from a buzzer fitted in the rear quarter, and the reversing camera has been fitted on this overhang just so it's nice and neat, sits next to the number plate lights, and it's using a little mini satin black camera that doesn't look out of place on this beautiful car. This cabling has been routed down to the front, connects to the PCM 4 unit, and then automatically when you select reverse gear will show up on the screen with moving guidelines. Okay, so we're now sat inside the car and it is awesome in here. You've got carbon inlays, you've got suede Alcantara lined dash glove box and door cards, and we're all done. So, Alcantara steering wheel. This customer has kept his screen protector on just to protect the screen from getting any fingerprints, and to be honest, it works well because no touchscreen looks very nice with fingerprints on. So if I just put the ignition on, as I said earlier, this is the PCM 4. Porsche have really specced up their in-car units because over the years they have been a little bit underwhelming with their tech, but this has got Apple CarPlay, you've got FM, you've got DAB, you've got your thumbnails for your stations, and now we've also got a lovely reversing camera. So if I just put the ignition on like so and I select reverse gear, parking sensors come on, and you would hear that if we had something behind, which we can do in a second, and we've got the beautiful reversing image up on the display. Now because of the screen protector on here, it doesn't look as crisp as I'd like it to, but I don't want to take it off because it's not my car. But we've got moving guidelines, we've got the nice clean image, there's no other overlays or warnings that you see in a lot of cars, and that will just come on in reverse, and then when you select drive or park, it'll go off again. So pop it into reverse, and you've got your parking camera with your moving guidelines, like so, and take it out. Now, if I can get one of the chaps to stand back of the car, I will then pop it into reverse and show you what the parking sensors sound like. Of course, you won't get any display on the car because these are aftermarket and just flush. So pop it into reverse. Okay, so we've got parking sensors. You might just be able to hear the beeps there. Richard's just moving in slowly towards the car, and then they will flatline at about 30 centimetres, which is about a foot, and that will be your danger point. You'll also see on the screen here that you've got the red line. That red line, again, that horizontal line is your danger point. It's about 30 centimetres away from the bumper. So this is a Porsche 718 Cayman GTS. We have fitted aftermarket, flush, colour-coded, audible parking sensors and a really nice, neat reversing camera that displays on his PCM4. If you've got a car like this and you're dubious about who you want to work on it, then come and see us. We do everything we do with passion, so please give us a call, get in touch with us at the contact form. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, keep watching our videos because we love working on cars like this.